Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to OPPO Reno13 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO Reno13 Pro. Also on OPPO device, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!